Breads and pastries taste as fresh as from the bakery with professional baking. You can choose from the following 4 functions: proofing, classical, and flour dusted or glazed. Let's start with the proofing function. This generates the ideal temperature and humidity inside the cooking space, a climate in which yeast feels right at home. Bread doughs rise perfectly. Next, we'll take a look at flour-dusted baking for rustic loaves. First, the appliance preheats and lets you know when the desired temperature has been reached. During baking, automatic steam injections ensure the perfect crust that is otherwise only achieved by bakers. Select Professional Baking Glazed if you want to bake yeast dough that you've glazed with egg, for example. Simply follow the instructions on the display and slide the bread into the cooking space once this has preheated. Press OK and watch how steam injection creates an even shine. If you haven't glazed the dough but still want a nice shiny crust, we recommend using Professional Baking Classical. Place the bread in the cold cooking space and begin the function. Professional Baking Classical is also ideal for baking puff pastry without glazing it or preheating the oven. Steam and hot air create a perfectly airy golden puff pastry. Professional baking ensures every type of bread is a success and transforms your kitchen into a bakery in an instant.